Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Welcome back to Practical Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling。Happy New Year， 新年快乐！好啦，这个放假呢，一连串这个好几天，对不对？之后呢，我们还是要回到工作岗位上了。
开工了。
That's right. After a long vacation for Chinese New Year, for the Lunar New Year, we got to go back and work, don't we? But before we go back and work, why don't we relax a little bit and get friends and maybe colleagues out for a meal together? Let's put you in that situation. But first of all, the phrase we're teaching whole month is 当然咯。
懂眼哦，
懂眼哦 ，OK， 这个时候约大家吃饭应该很容易，就说当然啦，
口袋饱饱，
对，荷包满满那样子嘛，没有啊，我们现在都在发红包啊，所以越来越没钱了，这个时候。好了，开工当天呢，一起吃个饭吧 ，OK， that means on the day we go back to work, let's have a meal together.
开工几日？
开工几日？
乡下吃饭吼，
乡下吃饭吼，吃饭了。Right, that means to have a meal, 吃个饭。那开工就是开工嘛 ，OK? All right, 那 your reply should be 当然好咯 of course.
懂眼后呢
OK, 那这样子我们应该来订个餐厅好了。
OK.
好 ，Let me go ahead and reserve a restaurant. 我来订个餐厅吧。
嗌來樓，傳堂，租運。或者是说嗌來樓，傳堂，聽
V 哦，聽 V 跟另外一个是租文都是订餐厅。
租文很像闽南语的注文啊。
注文啊，对对 ，take a place an order 那种感觉。or 另外一个是听 V 就是定位这样子。
对。
those both mean to make a reservation, to book a spot, if you will. 那
餐厅的海陆腔，
串烫哦，不都是一个堂的感觉了哈。That's a different dialect for 餐厅 for the restaurant. 但刚刚四线的话是串堂。Okay, now we know how to put yourself in this situation. Let's review some of these terms, such as 开工, that means going back to work.
開工
and have a meal, 吃飯. 吃飯 and finally the restaurant, 餐廳.
傳堂
and it's all about, hey, of course, let's do it, right? 當然
懂眼哦
and that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只是張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.